Hello lovely people. Today I'll be making very simple and easy painting for beginners. You will see how I bring out a realistic look in this painting. So let's get started. Here I'm taking chrome yellow, crimson lake, vermilion hue and permanent orange. I'll be using all these colors in my painting today. Highlight means this area is facing the light source, so it has to be left white. I am using wet on wet technique. First I wet the surface with water and then I apply wet paint on it. I am using chrome yellow and permanent orange for giving it a base. You can see I am leaving that highlight area white because this is how we bring out the realistic look for the painting. You must have noticed there are natural spots on the orange. You just need to tap the back tip of the painting brush on the wet surface and you'll get the desired look. I'm using vermilion hue color on the other side of the orange. You can see I always use very light base for my paintings, and then once the base layer has dried, I go over it again and give it a darker tone. The area to be left white should really be left white and it should not contain any color, and the darker area should really differentiate itself from rest of the colors. So it's very important to play and have knowledge about color values. And if you want to learn more about color values, wet techniques, just write me in the comments below and I'll get back to you with the solutions. And this is a very easy painting. Look, it's done, and I'm using spatter of paint, and this is also a very good effect that you can give into your paintings. And yes, if you want to learn how to spatter the color, just mention in the comments below and then only I'll be able to execute a video that you want. So here it is. You have a natural looking realistic orange. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time. Till then, keep painting.